The smartphone revolution of the year god. Once upon a time, there was a god called God of Year in a distant country. Every year, when the god of the year welcomed the new year, he visited the houses to bring good luck and promised a good harvest. However, in modern society, being chased by busy daily life, the god of years is gradually being forgotten. One day, the god of the year thought, "I want more people to know me," so he decided to adopt the latest technology. First of all, the god of the year created an app dedicated to himself. The name of the app is Tanekami. This app introduces tips for the New Year's god to bring blessings, how to welcome the new year, and recipes for New Year's dishes. In addition, when users register their dreams and goals, there was also a function to receive a message of support from the god of the year. As the end of the year approached, young people began to learn about the existence of the app, and many people downloaded it. While everyone is waiting for the messages and hints of the god of the year, the god of the year also appears on SNS. On Instagram and TikTok, his fun videos and messages spread and became a buzz among young people. On the day of the new year, the god of the year said through the app, "Everyone, I look forward to working with you again this year. Let's make happiness together." And send out, "I cherished the time I spent with my family and friends and prepared to celebrate the new year at home." As a result, it became popular again to decorate and make special dishes to welcome the god of the year as in the past. While incorporating modern fun, the god of the year conveyed the importance of cherishing tradition, and was revived as an existence that connects people. In this way, the god of the year continued to be an existence that fused the past and the future and brought happiness. And modern people can also live a rich life while feeling the thoughts of God through smartphones.